Hello all, welcome back to my second lesson of 1 minute Python. So in this particular lesson we will try to see the dynamic functionalities of this Python as a beautiful programming language. In the first case, I have created a variable name is equal to 1 minute Python within double quotes, right? And if I execute, I get it as 1 minute Python. Next, I have for the same variable name is equal to as an integer value as 12, and if I execute, that becomes 12. Likewise, if I say name is equal to a float point value as 3.5, I get it as 3.5, and something like name is equal to 4.5, I get it as the same value as 4.5. Likewise, Python also supports for Boolean values like true. So now if I execute this, and if I have print name, it should give me the answer as true. And it also supports for a data type also called as the none data type. So if I say name is equal to none, execute that, and if I execute this, I should get the answer as none. So hope you have understood the dynamic functionalities of this particular programming language. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.